The graph above represents the amount of caffeine in an adult's blood after they drink 1 cup of coffee, where X is the hours since consuming the coffee and Y is the amount of caffeine in milligrams. So hours, milligrams, great. Which of the following equations defines the function in the graph? So without doing too much, what it appears I have is at 0, I have 100. Okay, so the first things first, if you're looking at an equation like this, okay, which is what I have, all right, that's my initial amount. So A is going to be 100. So Y equals 100. B is, I don't know yet, but what I do have is decay. So decay means B has to be in between 0 and 1, which excludes U and which excludes U. And so it's going to be to the x power. Now, I have to choose between 0.85 and 1.5. So if I were to plug in 1, right, into U, I would get 100 times 0.85 to the first, or 100 times 0.85, which is going to be 85. So let's see what happens when I go to 1. Seems to match up with 85. So, yep, you're my guy. If I were to try C, I would do the same thing and get, let's plug in 1 and 0.15, and that's going to equal 15, which is not what I want. Okay, and this also makes sense because this is saying that we are going to decrease, but not at a huge rate. You know, you're losing 15% per, what is this, hour? So that's what's going on here. This is like you're losing almost everything per hour, and that's going to be a huge dip, which is not what we have. So my guy is going to be A.